Welcome, sweet one, to this week's guided meditation as we journey into sacred self-devotion. Find a comfortable position, seated or lying down, where your body feels supported and safe. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through the nose and release through the mouth with a sigh. Allow the day to melt away. This is your time. This is your path. Begin by inhaling to the count of 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1. Exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 1, exhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. With every inhale, draw energy up from the earth, steady, grounded, nourishing. With every exhale, release any heaviness, tension, or doubt. Imagine roots extending from your body deep into the soil, anchoring you into the sacred ground. You are steady. You are safe. You are ready. Now begin to imagine a forest. The air is cool and thick with mist. Every leaf shimmering with dew. You can hear a stream singing somewhere ahead. The forest feels alive, charged, enchanted, and holy. Step slowly into this forest. Feel your feet connect with the earth. Smell the moss, the wet bark, the sweetness of the air. The mist parts before you, as though the forest herself is guiding you. You follow the sound of the stream until you reach its edge. The water sparkles in the mist, reflecting moonlight. And there, across the stream, stands the unicorn. The unicorn's body gleams like living starlight, muscles strong, eyes blazing with ancient knowing. Its horn glows, spiraled, radiant, piercing through the fog. You feel the gaze of the unicorn upon you. It sees everything. The fears, the doubts, the ways you've hidden. And yet there is no judgment, only clarity, only truth. The unicorn steps closer, lowering its head. You step forward too, heart pounding, breath steady. The unicorn lowers its horn to your forehead, just at the third eye. Feel a surge of light pouring in, brilliant, clear, unstoppable. This is clarity. This is devotion. This is truth. The horn lowers now to your heart. Golden white light streams in, filling your chest with unwavering love and fierce devotion to self. Feel it burn away illusion. Feel it anchor your vow. You are being blessed by the unicorn. You are being chosen. You are being reminded. The path is yours to walk. The vow is yours to keep. Now imagine your own horn extending from your forehead. Spiraled light, strong and radiant. It pierces through fog. It slices illusion. It anchors truth. See yourself moving through life with this horn of light leading the way. No more excuses, no more haze, only clarity, only devotion. Now step with the unicorn onto a path through the forest. This path is yours, the path of sacred devotion. As you walk, whisper silently, I make a vow to myself. Let the vow arise naturally. It may be to show up for your body, your creativity, your dreams, your spirit, whatever is true. Feel the vow lock into place within your heart. Now let yourself envision your desired life. How does it feel? What do you experience? Who are you in this vision? Let the unicorn walk beside you. Commune with it. Ask, how do I best show up to embody this vision? What daily steps? What rituals? What sacred devotions will carry me there? Listen. The unicorn will answer through images, words, sensations. Trust what comes. The unicorn pauses, then steps back into the mist, but its blessing remains, humming in your bones, glowing in your heart, radiating from your horn of light. You are walking with grace. You are walking with devotion. You are walking with power. Take a final deep breath, inhaling clarity, exhaling devotion. When you are ready, slowly bring yourself back into the room, carrying the vow, the vision, and the unicorn's blessing with you. Namaste.